Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Jhom and this is my final requirement for networking and communication. Today, I will be presenting a simulation and demonstration of LAN creation using Cisco Packet Tracer, specifically focusing on how to implement subnetting. The purpose is to demonstrate how to take a single network block and divide it into smaller, logical subnets to improve network performance and organization. Before we configure the devices, we must first perform the subnetting computation. Let's assume we have the Class C network address, the 192.168.10.0, with a default subnet mask of /24. My goal is to create two usable subnets, one for the sales department and one for the HR. To do this, I need to use the formula 2 raised to n, where n is the number of bits borrowed. Since I need two subnets, I will borrow 1 bit from the host version. This gives us two ranges. Subnet 1 for the sales. The network ID is 192.168.10.0, the first usable IP, which will our gateway is 192.168.10.1. Next is the subnet 2 for the HR. The network ID is 192.168.10.128. The first usable IP for this gateway is 192.168.10.129. Now, let's move on to Cisco Packet Tracer to build this network. I am placing a one router, which is the 1941, to act as the gateway between our two departments. Next is, we will add a 2960 switches, one for sales and one for HR. And then, I will add two PC to represent the end devices for each department. And then, now, I will connect them using a copper straight to cable. I am connecting the sales switch to the router to gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and the HR switch is to gigabit Ethernet 0/1. And I will connect the PC to switch using a copper straight through cable. Now, we will configure the router first. Click the router and go to CLI, and then type enable configure terminal. Once we here now in terminal, we will configure first the gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Type interface gigabit Ethernet space 0/0 and type IP address. The first gateway will is the IP address, which will 192.168.10.1 along with its subnet mask, which is the 255.255.255.128. And don't forget to type the no shutdown command to turn the port on. And now we done in the sales gateway. Next is the HR gateway. We will now configure the gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Gigabit Ethernet 0/1. And then we will now assign the IP, which is the 192.168.10.129 and then enter. I forgot the subject. And its subnet mask. Then enter. And then don't forget to type the no shutdown. And now we're done. Now let's configure the end devices. First is the sales PC. Click the PC and go to desktop and click IP configuration. The first IP address will be 192.168.10.2 and its subnet mask is. For our default gateway, it will be the 192.168.10.1. Next is the HRPC. Do the same IP configuration. For the IP address of HR, it will be the 192.168.10.130. And the default gateway is 192.168.10.129. And now we're done. Finally, we will test if the subnetting is correct. We will ping the HRPC from the sales PC. Click the PC and go to command prompt. Enter ping 192.168.10.130. This IP address is the IP address of our HRPC. And then enter. Now we wait. At first, it will say the packet may time out due to ARP, but subsequent packets should be succeed. Now let's do it again. That 130. There, as you can see, it's now successful. And there you go. That's how you make a simulation and demonstration of LAN creation with subnetting. And thank you.